Hey, welcome to this Illustrator tutorial. I love giving you free tutorials so that you can start to learn how to design. So today we're going to talk about the Shear Tool. This is very, very quick so that I know that you're busy. Life is crazy, but I just want you to be aware of this tool. I think it'll be awesome. Before we get started, make sure that you are part of my courses VIP group. That is my free group, and I send out free tutorials, free PDFs, all the good stuff there all the time. And you can join it by going to karinagardner.com and click on Courses VIP. Okay, let's get started. So the Shear Tool, I am in the Layout Workspace, okay? And if you don't know what that is, go watch my tutorial about workspaces. So the Shear Tool is right here. It is almost always under your rotation tool, okay? So your rotation tool is like that little rounded with an arrow icon, and the Shear Tool has like a square rectangle, and it looks like it's being changed proportionally, so that's what it exactly does. So we're going to come over to my rectangle tool. I'm going to hold down my shift key and create a square. Now you don't have to do that, you can do a rectangle. I want you to watch and see what this does. So if I click on my Shear Tool, and I'm not holding down my shift key, I'm just pulling, you can see that when I yank it, it's going to change the shape to like a parallelogram. If you hold down your shift key, it's going to keep it proportionate, if that makes sense. You can see like it's trying to keep it on a certain angle, okay? And that's it. Pretty simple, right? So if you do this with other shapes, now we just did it very simply with a square. Here's a rectangle. If I hold down my shift key, you can see I can pull it. If I don't hold down my shift key, I can pull it like this. Now, feel free to mess around with this. This is really great, especially if you are like me and you do a whole bunch of doodles. And I tend to draw with a little bit of a slant, so I will use this to straighten things back up again. So it is a great tool to know about. Super duper simple, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Super easy, right? Okay, make sure and join that courses VIP group at karinagardner.com. You are going to want to know about all the cool educational programs we have going on, including Design Bootcamp, our membership Ink Club, and all the other awesome things that we have going on over there. So go check that out at karinagardner.com or karinagardnercourses.com, and I will see you soon.